Hello, I am Vasco and today we will talk about cloud computing. Good day everyone and welcome to this comprehensive session on cloud computing. This topic has been the buzzword in the technology world in recent years, and it's high time we dive into the details of what it is, why it's so popular, and how it's changing the way we work and do business. So, without further ado, let's get started. Cloud computing is the delivery of computing services, including servers, storage, databases, networking, software, analytics, and intelligence, over the internet, the cloud, to offer faster innovation, flexible resources, and economies of scale. It's a model of providing on-demand access to a shared pool of configurable computing resources such as virtual machines, storage, and applications over the internet. The history of cloud computing. The concept of cloud computing has been around since the 1960s, but it wasn't until the late 2000s that it started to gain traction. The increasing popularity of the internet, advancements in virtualization technology, and the increasing demand for scalable and cost-effective computing solutions were some of the factors that contributed to the growth of cloud computing. There are three main types of cloud computing, which are 1. Public cloud. 2. This is a cloud computing service that is open to the public and is owned and operated by third-party companies. The public cloud provides resources such as virtual machines, storage, and applications over the internet to anyone who needs them. Private cloud. 4. This is a cloud computing environment that is dedicated to a single organization. The organization has complete control over the private cloud, including the security and privacy of the data stored in it. 5. Hybrid cloud. 6. This is a combination of both public and private clouds. An organization can use the public cloud for non-sensitive tasks and the private cloud for critical and sensitive tasks. The benefits of cloud computing. 1. Cost savings. 2. Cloud computing reduces the cost of its infrastructure and services, as you only pay for what you use and don't have to invest in expensive hardware and software. Scalability. 4. Cloud computing allows you to easily scale your resources up or down as your needs change, without having to invest in new hardware. 5. Flexibility. 6. With cloud computing, you can access your resources from anywhere with an internet connection, making it possible to work from anywhere, at any time. 7. Reliability. 8. Cloud computing providers offer high levels of reliability, with multiple backups and disaster recovery systems in place to ensure that your data is always safe and secure. Now, security. Thus, cloud computing providers invest heavily in security, with multi-layered security measures in place to protect your data from unauthorized access. So, in conclusion, cloud computing has revolutionized the way we do business and work, by providing on-demand access to computing resources over the internet. Its benefits of cost savings, scalability, flexibility, reliability, and security make it a popular choice for organizations of all sizes. I hope that this session has provided you with a good understanding of what cloud computing is and how it works. Thank you for joining me, and I look forward to your questions.